Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Gamepass in PS.net. So first of all, open your any browser. Now I'm opening my Chrome browser. Go to the search option, search it to Roblox and log in Roblox. Click on to continue in browser. First of all, enable to desktop mode. Tap on to three dot desktop site. Click on to create option. Zoom in. Click on to three line. Click on to creation. Click on to name. Click on to three line again. And then showing here to monetization section, passes. Click on to create a pass. If you want to change profile, type here to name, and if you want to add description, click on to create pass. Okay, now successfully create a pass. Click on to three line again, and then click on to sales. First enable this price, and then click on to save changes. Go back. So that's it. That's how you can easily make Gamepass in PS.net. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.